Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create an executable file in Enscape. Export the Exe file. Exe file type is for a presentation. It does not require any programs like Revit, nor Enscape, material links, and lighting and render settings. Step 1. Click Start to launch Enscape and confirm your model is ready for export. Step 2. Select View to start. Step 3. Add information, icon, title, load first screen, from customization on General Settings. Step 4. Click Export. Click Exe Standalone. Step 5. Save. Name the file name and wait until the file is created. This file is an executable file for the Eames House project. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to create an executable file in Enscape. Thank you.